Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a small unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. It's just a little envelope bag. I ordered a diamond painting notebook for the lady at the bakery. They really like the diamond painting, so I thought I'd get her something small. She's very busy. She's a very busy lady, so obviously she doesn't necessarily have the time to spend a lot on diamond painting. So I thought this would just be something that you can try and see if she actually likes it or not. I ordered her daughters. She's got 3 daughters, so each of them I ordered pencil cases, so those are probably still on their way. But yeah, you get a little Ziploc baggie. And you pop what the notebook comes in. Oh. Alright, so how did they get it in here is my question. So let's see. Oh, there we go. Right. Okay. So this is the notebook. It's a bit crumpled there in the corner. Let's see for stickiness. Pretty sticky. Is it in between there as well? Oh, it's in between, so it's not just on the diamond area that it's sticky. So just your average kit. And then there's no kind of inventory sheet or anything like that. Oh, it's plain, it's not lined. So hopefully she can still use it for something. Let's have a look, see what we have. So at the moment it looks like 8 colors. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some very nice colors that we have here. Those blue ones are pretty. And then here's your normal gemstones. Yeah, I think number 6. Oh, this doesn't feel like they're marked right. Because that, I wouldn't have imagined that being green. 4, 3. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. So it's really just that 5 that I'm not too sure about, but I'm sure it will come out nicely. Or looking nice. So I'm not going to bother with that plastic bag. So that's pretty much it, guys. I ordered it on the 24th of January and I received it on the 11th of February. With tax, it is $10.53. So all up it took 18 days to get here, and considering all the drama and everything going on in China at the moment, I really don't think that was bad at all. With the coronavirus and so on, I am quite wary of any further purchases from China, because yeah, they've got more important things to worry about than sending people their diamond paintings. So I'll probably just wait for those pencil boxes to come, and then I'll probably be coming down with my purchases from AliExpress just until they get back on their feet, I guess. Yeah, so thank you very much for checking in, guys. This was just a little gift for the lady at the bakery. I will be waiting until her daughter's pencil cases arrive, and then I'll just give them all to them at the same time to try. And hopefully I can get them hooked on diamond painting, because it's heaps of fun. Okay then, see you guys. Bye.